What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video, guys, we do have another price update, price prediction on VeChain, also known as VET. So I'm going to be going through my prediction, my takes on this crypto over the next couple of days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. Is it a good investment? A lot of people have been asking a lot of different questions. You can probably see why. It has been taking some major dips since back in November, and it hasn't stopped. As you can see, consistent dips in value with very minimal peaks here and there, but overall it has been down quite a bit. As you can see, the current value is just about 5 cents, dropping all the way from 18 cents. So especially those people who did invest into it around here, they're asking, will it go back up in value? Will it hit a new all-time high? Is it time to sell? So on and so on. But there are other people asking, is it a good time to invest into it right now, or should you wait for a dip, so on and so on. So guys, I'm going to try and answer as many questions as possible and give you guys my take on it, and also what am I doing with my VeChain. Am I holding on to it? Have I sold it? Am I buying more and stuff like that? But before I get into all of that, I just want to let you guys know this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So over the last 24 hours itself, it has dropped nothing major, but just about 2% down in value. As you can see, we've seen peaks here, fluctuations, drop back down, went back up. So it's been all over the place and is very volatile as well. Moving on to the weekly chart, an 8% down, nearly 9% down in value. As you can see here, consistent dips in value, and over the month a massive 23%, and most of it was from the 21st and 22nd of January. Just like all the other cryptos, or most of the other cryptos, VeChain did take a hit on those 2 days, which had a major effect, and it hasn't recovered yet fully. So scrolling down here, we've got the market cap of $3.7 billion. The volume in the last 24 hours, $271.1 million. And that is pretty much it. Going into the coin market cap website, we can see the trading volume has indeed gone up by 22% in the last 24 hours. So more and more people are trading this crypto, and I am expecting a lot more people to be investing into it right now, as it has taken quite a hit. It's a good value to be buying at the moment, but there are more dips coming on this crypto, but I'll get into all of that later on in the video when I do the technical analysis. So before I get into all of that, I want to know your prediction for VeChain in 2022. So let's have a look at the highest number or value it's ever been to, was 28 cents, and this was back last year. So in 2021, last year, it did hit, let's have a look here, it was in April last year when it hit 28 cents, nearly 29 cents. So can it hit a new all-time high, and if so, what price target can it hit? 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents? Can it hit the dollar mark? What do you guys think? Obviously, it is at 5 cents. It's going to have to go through a massive price increase to hit the dollar mark. But if not this year, will it ever hit the $1 mark? Comment down below. What do you guys think? What are your predictions and your takes? I want to see or find out how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So it would be nice if you guys could comment down below your prediction. And without further ado, let's get straight into my prediction and my takes on this crypto. So at the bottom here, we have this MACD indicator, which is what I'm going to be using to do the price prediction. And at the top here, we've got the candlestick pattern chart showing us how this crypto has been performing, which again has been all over the place, but recently has not been performing too well. So we also have the SMA indicator. If you haven't realized yet, that is the purple line running across the chart, which shows us the average value of VeChain, which is 0.05879. However, it is currently trading just below that. As you can see here, the purple line is above the current value, which means VeChain is not performing too well. It is underperforming below its average. So, and we can clearly see that because of the major dips that has been taking over the last couple of months. So I'm going to zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors. So zooming in here, we can see that the blue line and the orange line are again going in a bearish direction, looking quite negative, meaning more decreases in value are expected over the coming hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect it to slightly drop in value. Again, we can see that it's been dropping already, but it's going to get worse, more and more drops. However, this does not mean that it's going to go for a complete drop in value or a major decrease in value or anything like that, but a minimal decrease in value is expected over the coming hours, but nothing major. Obviously you're going to see peaks, you're going to see green candles in between, you're going to see red candles, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now moving on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, what can we expect? Still looking bearish, guys. We're still not looking too great. We got the blue line and the orange line looking bearish, and in this case they are looking quite steep, which means I wouldn't say serious price drops, but do expect drops in the coming days. Again, for regular updates, make sure you're following me on Instagram, because that's where I'm going to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on all the cryptos that I cover on this channel. But yeah, so far it is not looking too great. It's looking like it is going to be negative outcomes over the coming days and over the coming hours and days. Now let's move on to the daily chart for the next couple of weeks. What can we expect here? We are not looking as bad as the previous one, but we are not looking positive either. So here we can see that the orange line is slightly heading towards the bullish direction. Again, it's not looking too steep, it is just about going in a positive direction, and similar to the blue line. So the whole point is that yes, they are both going in a positive direction, but it's not too steep, it's not that major. So slight increases in value are expected, probably going just about 6 cents or just above that, but nothing major is expected as of yet. However, guys, VeChain is a crypto which I have invested into, and I'm still holding it at the moment. I haven't sold a single one of my VeChain, and if it does drop further and if it does hit a certain price target which I've got in mind, I will be investing more into this crypto. But again, guys, if you want to find out what cryptos I'm buying and selling, all you need to do is subscribe to my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. Using discount code DEC10 you get 50% off to make it $14.99. and again, in this group chat I'm going to be posting what cryptos I'm buying and what cryptos I'm selling. But if you guys have any questions or queries before you join, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes, and just bear in mind, guys, that predictions do change depending on any major updates or major news that come across, either in a positive or negative way. Whatever has any news that come across that could have a potential effect on VeChain, I will let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, because there are vital information coming. Obviously January was not a great month for the crypto market. February recovered a little bit, but still not fully recovered yet, and hopefully the coming months for the remaining of 2022 should be great, and we should see some major increases in value on the VeChain crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel, the old subscribers and the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. More information will be coming very soon. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.